Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl. Today I'm continuing the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 characters, okay, and today's look is of course my next highly requested character from this game, which is Balloon Boy. Okay, let me remind you guys that I did post a poll on my Instagram where I asked you guys which character you wanted me to do next. No surprise when I posted that the puppet obviously got the most votes, but Balloon Boy was pretty much tied. I mean, the puppet literally won by I think an extra 3 votes. So Balloon Boy surprisingly had a high rating of people who really wanted me to cover him. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, we're gonna do Balloon Boy today, and this shouldn't take long because as you guys can see, I'm already pretty much wearing makeup. Okay, this is my regular daily look makeup. Okay, if you guys want to take a quick little peek, but I can also do a video showing you guys my daily makeup routine. So I'm already done with my bases basically. All right, so I think let's get into this. In the iconic Bea Forever palette, you guys, I'm going to be going ahead and using this here red, because the red that I'm going for was a mix of red and orange. It's really a super dark reddish orange, and I mean, I have orange, this dark, but this doesn't really fit Balloon Boy vibes, so I thought this one, I mean, it's a bright red. I can't go wrong with that, you know what I mean? And then as for the blue and purple-ish, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one, because this right here is one of my favorite colors. It's such a good purple. As you guys can see up close, it's purple with it's a dark blue purple with purple spots. Perfect color. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a really quick video because it's not that much, you know what I mean? It's not a lot of makeup that I have to even do, so I think I'm gonna get through this pretty quickly in my opinion. Okay, now I'm going to do something that I don't typically do, but I'm going to get my contour palette and I'm going to use some of this silver to just kind of put on my nose, just to see if I can get a little shine effect. I'm going to go ahead and just do my lashes, and then I'm going to do some lip color, and that's basically it, guys. Alright y'all, the look is done. I really hope you guys can see it. I know this side is I think more visible than this side. This side looks a little bit light, but this side over here, okay, as you guys can see, I did little silver on my nose just to kind of get that shine, because you guys know the animatronics in the second game, they're more toy characters, so they're more shinier. So that was the purpose of that, in case you're wondering. So I basically just did his stripes because that was the look I was going based off of, and I like it. I think it looks so cool. I think it's cute. It's honestly a really simple look. I mean, it's just 2 colors, and then the lips are kind of just your choice. Balloon Boy doesn't really even have lips, so you don't even have to worry about getting like his lips right. Like I think the lip color is just whatever color you choose. And then I did my lashes, and then I even did some of these like under ones right here, which I rarely ever do because I'm not good at, but I think I nailed them this time. So yeah, there's the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. I really did like it. If you guys did like it, please make sure to leave me a like, make sure to subscribe. And I know I keep saying this in the past few videos, but once again, I want to say for those of you who haven't yet heard yet, okay, thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. That means a lot to me, you guys. I know to most people 300 doesn't sound like a lot, but for a small channel like me, it's the world to me, okay? Because that just means I just reached another like big step into my YouTube journey. So like, thank you guys so much for another 100, and let's try to get to the next 100 pretty soon, okay? If I were to possibly get to 400 before the end of the year, oh my god, that would be the world to me, you guys. So please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, check out some of my other makeup videos, okay? I have a playlist down below if you guys want to see all the Five Nights at Freddy's looks that I've done. If you guys want to see like my other regular makeup videos, if you guys are interested in checking out what makeup looks I did for Halloween, I did a playlist on that as well. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.